Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an eyeliner 12-hour wear test. This is from the brand Kaja, and this is the Wink stamp. It is a wing eyeliner stamp and pen, and it just comes in this packaging. It comes with a little instruction sheet, as well as two different eyeliner pens. The instructions say for a perfect wing in seconds, position the wing-shaped stamp at the outer edge of the eye and press down firmly. The wing should connect to the lower lash line, creating one continuous line. Then use the eyeliner pen to draw along the lashes and connect the wing. Shake well before use, and then repeat on the other side. This is made in Korea, and it's by Meanbox Corporation out of San Francisco, or of course, Kaja Beauty. Apparently it is an exclusive to Sephora, and even though I'm not going to make any purchases at Sephora this year, I still do have things that I still need to test from Sephora. So if you're wondering about that, yeah, we just have to go through things I've already purchased. I'm a pretty slow reviewer, so there's always this like huge delay between when I purchase things and when I get around to posting a video. Also, I like to try out products before I do my full review on them, so that also slows the process down. The fatter pen is actually the pen with the wing stamp on it. And of course, it's got two different sides, a left and a right side. And for easy access, they have a line on one side, so you always know what the right side is. And literally, it's just stamps in this big marker. And then the other eyeliner is just a regular felt tip. And it's a fairly stiff felt tip. And when you shake it, it gives that little rattle. I'm using this thing a lot, and I will say placing that stamp can be a little risky. Sometimes you do have to have a Q-tip ready to remove any rogue stamps. But I'm gonna basically put this on and wear it for the next 12 hours. I've already got a tiny bit of eyeshadow on. The rest of my makeup is on. We just need liner and wings at this point. So let me start by stamping them on. And they do say to connect it to your lower lash line. There you go. You don't really have to press all that firmly. And mine's probably about a month old now, and it's still nice and juicy. The tricky part is, of course, lining them up. There you go. Two stamps on, and I've really experimented a lot with like placing the stamp in different spots and then connecting it with lines. And I have to say, you don't have to do it right connected to that lower lash line. It can work in a lot of different places. It's actually pretty customizable. This eyeliner pen, it's incredibly stiff. I love felt tip eyeliners, but I like something that's got a little bit more flex because I find that it tends to like skip a lot along my upper lash line, which tends to make your eyeliner grow. Like to smooth it out, you have to add a little bit more. So I'm just going to try to buff it, and then without trying to make it any bigger, I'm gonna try to just stamp along my eyeline to fill that little bit in. Alright, so there's my eyeliner application, and again, I do like the stamp a lot, but I'm not a huge fan of that eyeliner. To be perfectly honest, on a normal day, I will use the pink stamper and just use my regular eyeliner because I feel like it just works a lot better for me and I don't have all those like skipping issues. Anyway, let's get on my mascara to kind of finish up the look. So now I'm just going to wear test this eyeliner for the next 12 hours. It is very nice and matte. It is pretty dark. I do feel like that, again, that eyeliner that you draw the line with, it does make it hard to get right up along your lashes with. I'm going to show you what it looks like in natural light, and then we will keep this on for the next 12 hours, do a couple more check-ins, and I'll see you at the end of the night. Here we go. Alright, so it's the end of the night here. You saw how it performed throughout the day. And honestly, it is still nice and dark. It's looking a little shiny. But overall, I think the liner lasted really, really well. I have really greasy eyelids, and it didn't transfer or anything up into my crease. Although I have worn it on days with no eyeshadow. And I feel like if you're not wearing eyeshadow, it does tend to travel a little bit more. So overall, I think this is a really good kit. To be completely honest, I could do without the actual felt tip eyeliner. And if I just got the stamp and used it in combination with my normal everyday favorite eyeliner, this is like a complete win. No difference, and you still get your favorite control. So this stamp thing, really, really good. Like I said, I've played around with it a lot. I've tried moving the stamp, like the wing, to different parts of my eye. Today I tried to line it up with my bottom lash line like the instructions said, but I put them farther away, higher, lower, different angles. It's a lot of fun, and you get perfect symmetry, assuming that you line up the stamp properly every time, which is a lot of fun. Really clean looking tiny little wings. So really great for everyday wear. It's too bad they don't have other shapes. I know like the vamp stamp, you can pick your type of wing, but I'm pretty sure this kit only comes with this one stamp. So overall, would I recommend this kit? Yeah, I would actually, especially if you're the type of gal who's a little bit intimidated or scared to try doing wings on your own. I think with dedication and practice, you can get there on your own, but if you want a kind of lazy, cheaty way that's really reliable, lasts all day, this is also a great option. I feel like this could be like your starter wheels as well. You could like trace over the stamp that you've already got on your eye so that you can like really get the feel of like how to draw it, how to shape it yourself. But overall, I'm freaking loving this. I've checked out some other Kaja products before. I tried out their cheeky stamp, and I got that in a set with a lipstick. So if you want to check out that video, you can check it out here. But overall, I'm going to give this stuff 5 out of 5. It's not too expensive. It's a very versatile kit. You get a lot of liner for the price that you pay. And in my experience so far, the liner is lasting a very, very long time. So really can't say anything bad about it, except for I would recommend wearing it with eyeshadows or some sort of lid primer to control your grease so that it doesn't move around too much. The actual pen eyeliner, I would give that like a 2 out of 5. I think having that stamp is such a great tool for my beginner wingers or for pro wingers alike who just want to try something new. Experiment a little bit with your liner. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, I really like this kit a lot. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I would just like to say a huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. For those $2 a month, you can help support my channel and help me buy, purchase, test out this makeup. If that's not a possibility, you can still share your support by liking this video, sharing it with a friend, or leaving a comment down below. Thank you to everybody who's been commenting lately. So kind, so nice. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye for now.